Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
Hey guys, we're in New Orleans. Let's go toward the French market. There's no cars coming. We're gonna try these filled beignets. I got that. I didn't use it yet.
Let's get it.
I have one. Go, go ahead.
I don't know. I'm looking for it.
Sorry. I don't have that one. The one I have is in a bottle like that one. Look, Michelle. Though mine's is in a bottle like that white one.
I'm touching my penny in my napkin.
You do?
Yeah. What do I
Oh, so
say?
let's go. Right there? Hi, where do we pay for the seasoning? So you guys, I'm here at Holy Crepes. I'm going to get a crepe for us to share. I don't know which one though. Let me see. What did you buy, Mickey?
I got these beautiful masks.
Oh, that's so nice. That's pretty. That's for her.
I'm gonna put it in my
Those are pretty.
Look how pretty.
Very pretty.
2 for 10.
Those are beautiful.
They got other ones, but you know my color.
You say you wanted a fan. I'm about to give you the money for it. Hold on.
I want that. You will. 2 for 5.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's really cute.
And then these were 3 for 5.
Okay, you ain't have to show no boobies.
Doing my happy dance.
Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Oh my gosh! Look, you guys. This is called the Boozy Susie. It's a Grand Marnier soap crepe. You see this? Oh my gosh! Look at that. A Boozy Susie. Wow. Ooh, Michelina. You get the first bite? What do you think? Can you taste the alcohol? You gotta get a good bite inside more.
I taste the sugar. I taste the flakiness and the butteriness.
You taste the butter? You gotta get another bite more inside.
Bullshit, girl.
Because the stuff, like right here where my hand is, it feels real hot.
I can't eat. Damn it, I'm like, I got some gator bites coming.
Yeah, well, that's what we're waiting on. Tastes better now? Oh, I seen some syrup pull out when you took that bite. That's like some caramel syrup. Now, Lily, this has alcohol in there. I would have gave you some. What do you think? Are you speechless? Is it delicious?
I'm trying to swallow. I took a big ass bite. You didn't see how wide I had.
I know, I see it. Look at all that caramel down in there.
Everywhere.
Wow. It's so buttery. Wow. Oh my God, Michelle got alligator. Yeah, alligator sausage, not alligator balls.
Ah, that's what she said.
You know I got a bunch of alligator in my lake. Oh my gosh, I hit a big part of the Grand Marnier. It's right there.
Why don't you like kill the alligator and eat it?
She might as well kill the alligator and eat it. She might well.
Uh-huh.
You like the gator. Oh my gosh, it's so boozy.
Because it's nice and
Oh, I got to the boozy part. Wait, before you eat that, Michelle, you have to take another bite of my crepe. Right here is where all the alcohol is. My throat is burning. Taste this. Take a piece off. This is where all the alcohol is. Girl.
right here.
Yes. That is the boozy part. Oh my gosh. That's the syrup. You taste that? Whoa, okay. That is where all the booze is. What? Yo. You taste that, Mickey? Oh my gosh.
Sweet.
Who is boozy? It's the alligator.
That one. Woo, that's cute.
Is it spicy?
It's a lot of bread.
I thought it was gonna be like that.
I know,
like
the one at the...
Harry's. That was alligator, like breaded and fried.
It's good.
You like it, Mama? There was that.
It tastes like lasagna.
Oh, that is boozy.
It tastes like lasagna.
So I got the alligator. It tastes like stuffing.
No, it tastes
That's exactly what it tastes like, stuffing, right?
it tastes like lasagna.
You want it?
No, you can have it. It tastes like stuffing to me. Okay, you guys, so after I walked through the whole market, I came back and our beignets were ready. I picked up a sangria. Let's check it out. Let's taste the sangria and the beignet. It looks really, really good.
Mama.
Okay, so right here is the praline filled beignets. This is what it is. It is. I'm out of shape. Look at that. How good is that? Ain't that good?
Yeah, that's great.
Ronnie don't like the sangria. Don't lie for the people. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you
I
don't.
already know I don't like it.
Ronnie don't like the sangria. So now you don't like sangria and you don't like mimosas. This is not a mimosa, it's a sangria.
I know that, man.
So you don't get smart with me.
Really?
I didn't know you didn't like sangria. I know you didn't like mimosas.
No, I just don't really ever do sangria.
Okay, but don't if you don't like, you don't like it. This is real food reviews. Alright, now let's taste the beignets. Y'all see this, y'all? This beignet is filled with caramel and pralines. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Here, babe, try.
You want some? All right, hold on. I'm gonna bring you half.
Oh my god, oh my god. Right there.
I'll bring it to you.
Come on, there ain't no car coming. Ain't that good? Oh my gosh, it's so good. A caramel pecan filled beignet, y'all. Wow, they done changed the game with that one.
That is freaking delicious.
That is so good. What do you think, Nicolina?
Bitch, I was full. I ain't full no more.
It's so good. Oh my gosh, babe, you gotta taste this crepe. It is so boozy. Taste it. Taste it from the bottom. Pick it up and taste the bottom, like that bottom part. It's like drippy. Wait, let me show them. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, look at that sauce. Y'all see that? Babe, taste that. Wow.
You can use it on hot dogs. You know, I've always wanted this. I keep
It's so butter. Yeah, Grand Marnier. You don't taste it?
Grand Marnier is like that.
I could, okay. I know you taste that because I could taste it. I was breathing it.
Yeah, I can't liquor.
How? It's not so good? It's like so buttery and boozy, and it's so freaking good.
From the crepe spot?
Yeah, from the crepe spot. All right, y'all. That was the French market. Off to the next place.
Yeah, I do. Yeah,
I'm so freaking full.
Got a liquor now.
It's a lot of booze in there. You went from I can't taste it to it's a lot of liquor in there. It is so boozy. It's so good.
Human statue. Doesn't move.
Let him go. Let them go around. Look, y'all.
Turn right.
He's a human statue. He catching the football. Okay.
Give me the money.
Hey. He ain't moving at all. Move, they. Okay.
Chicago Bulls. I love them.
Hey.
I got the whole get up.
Okay.
Thank y'all.
Be safe, bro.
Awesome!
Don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming for that number